With powerful accounting features, you can also set up complex functionalities for each account, such as if this account is to be used as a control account restricting direct general ledger entries. With the automatic allocation feature in Sage 300, you can set up to automatically split expenses or revenues in predetermined percentages in various cost and revenue centers. The powerful multi-currency capabilities of Sage 300 General Ledger allows you to define and control currencies for each specific account, based on exchange rates defined in the system. Sage 300 also allows you to calculate exchange gains and losses and revaluations of Forex balances without manual intervention. With multiple levels of account rollup, you can view consolidated balances or net changes of each account totaling child accounts. Sage 300 allows you to define multiple levels of rollup or roll down with your chart of accounts. You can also have user-defined fields against each GL account or transaction using the Optional Fields module for Sage 300. Optional fields allow you to assign specific values such as classification, cash flow type, or any other user-defined field for your company's specific financial reporting and classification.